And good afternoon to everybody that's out there on YouTube. Welcome this afternoon.
Hello, YouTube friends. How's your day gone, Mike?
It hasn't been too bad. Had a good trade in the morning, and then a couple just really small losers here in the afternoon. So
Excellent. Well, not excellent on the losers, but
eh,
it's good.
it
Good morning.
happens.
You should have joined me here on Microsoft.
I know I should have.
It's not your trade though. But,
No,
here we
you're
go.
to the short side.
Down. Microsoft, come on, Microsoft. Let's go. Let's get another leg down here. The SPY is looking like it might want to bounce here. It's holding on to green. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Like I said, I don't have a huge size left, so I'm gonna take another partial. It might as well be a good one, right? Take it at yeah, I'll take it at 243.
It is a nice move that you got on Microsoft though, out of there.
I know. It's pretty happy with it.
SPY definitely rolling over this last hour, that's for sure.
It's funny, Microsoft, after that spike, look at the volume on a sort of, even on a 1 minute chart. It's just very steady, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna take a partial here on Microsoft. I got this feeling that I don't know. It's gonna move back up. I could be wrong. Sorry. Took it early. We'll see if that was me getting too excited. All right. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, PLTR was something people were looking at. It's bouncing here. Had a nice drop on that one.
CDNS.
GME. Oh, the previous close was 90 bucks exactly. Interesting. Let's come back to that. AMC. AMC's bouncing here. I was hoping to get a trade on AMC, but I didn't. I didn't.
AMC green on the day.
Yeah. I mean, at least AMC. I don't know. It's not quite so far out in left field in terms of where the pricing is and its valuation. GME is just, ridiculous.
Yeah, GME is a little bit out there. Even though it is below $100 now, so that's still pretty high.
Very short. Feeling good about that partial on Microsoft. It did bounce exactly as I had thought it might. Of course, this could be short term and it'll go right back down. But... Yeah, Manny, that was part of the reason why I took the partial. When I looked over at my 5-minute chart, I saw all that consolidation between 11:30 and 1 o'clock right in this area. And, we were sort of right in the thick of it, so that's why I took the partial when I did, when it didn't drop down past it. So I mean, it could just hang out here for the rest of the day. I mean, I am like we're anywhere above. What was the previous? Anything above, yeah, 243 is all-time high territory.
Yep.
240, 264 seems to have been a previous spike all-time high, and it's certainly, you know, yesterday at the open had opened at 241. But yeah, it's never been this high, so we could see some people taking some profit, and but you know, I doubt we're going to see it dropping past VWAP at this point. But who knows? We still have 23 minutes and 17 seconds to find out. We had quite a few. Manny, that's a good question. Let me find out. I was not engaging the Magic 8 Ball. Hey, Magic 8 Ball. We haven't talked in a couple of days. Could use your help, though. I'd like to get your opinion. Let's see. Will, between now and the market close at 4 o'clock in 23 minutes, I'll say, will Microsoft hit a price below $243 even? Concentrate and ask again. Ugh. Microsoft.
Didn't want to give it to you on the first shot.
Well, no. Magic 8 Ball. Microsoft below 243. Will it happen by the close? Without a doubt. Whoa. Okay. Dang. Without a doubt. All right. Well, then I'm holding in here for sure. Got to put that in. Oh, wow. It has been a while since we've gotten a prediction from our buddy, the Magic 8 Ball.
Yes, it has been.
Guys, remember, the Magic 8 Ball does not speak for BBT. BBT does not take responsibility for any trades that you take on the advice of the Magic 8 Ball. The Magic 8 Ball is actually an inanimate object. Please do not take trades based on what the Magic 8 Ball says. If you take a trade based on the Magic 8 Ball, neither the moderators nor Andrew or Bearable Traders can be held responsible for any losses that you incur.
It's holding up there nicely.
I've been watching a lot of American TV, so I see all of the because we don't in Canada they don't allow drug companies to advertise drugs, but they can do it on U.S. TV, and it amazes me some of these drugs where they're like, do you suffer from dry mouth? Try whatever it is Excelliflera. Excelliflera will fix your dry mouth. But then they go into this like side effects could include
side effects, right?
It's the side effects could include loss of limb, total stoppage of your heart, brain explosion. And I'm like, what the hell? Like, I'll live with the dry mouth, thank you. Like, I don't understand.
Oh, yes.
Anyways. Some of them that they advertise, I'm like, you got to be pretty hard up on fixing this problem if you're willing to take the drug with the side effect. Anyways.
Yeah, right, Charlie. You'll die with fresh breath at least.
Yeah. Anyway.
Not a lot of price movement going on right now. Everything's just kind of hanging out.
Holly, really? Eyelash growth that can cause near-death issues. Yeah, see, that doesn't sound worth it. Seriously.
Yeah, there you go.
I,
Long
John,
eyelashes.
John, I get that, and my wife points it out sometimes. It's just possible, right? Like it could happen, and it happens in only 3 out of 10,000 people. I'm like, yeah, but I play the lottery, and my chances are 1 in 14 million. Like, so am I going to take the drug? Like I don't walk around with a metal pole in the rain, even though my chances of getting hit by lightning are only 1 in 500,000 or something.
Yeah, trading could cause heart attacks. A little bit of heightened anxiety as you trade, or at least when you're learning to trade, that's for sure.
John, I love the memes that people put out there where it's like it shows a guy and he's like, trading is a great career you can do from home, and it's really easy and low stress. And it says John Smith, 23 years old, and there's a picture of like a 70-year-old guy there. Uh, those always make me laugh. I'm like, yeah, that's about it. A blurb on the side effects of day trading. Yeah, I should do one of those. Side effects may include. I'm actually losing my eyesight as a result of day trading, so there's that. Well, maybe not
I
losing
think
it.
we all
My
are, as
eyes.
we stare at screens all day long.
In fact, the other last week, actually, I should put them on. I bought here blue
Yeah,
blocker glasses.
there you go. You got the blue light ones.
My kids were touting their value, so I bought these blue block. Actually, you're not sharing a screen in the room, by the way.
Oh, I'm not. Oh, it's. Oh yeah, because I came
Bought
in.
these.
Yeah.
I'm not sure that they're really me, but anyways, they're supposed to help from eye strain. I don't know. I'm not sure if they work or not. They do
I
have a
like
cool little
mine.
testing.
I like the ones I use. I really like them. I don't get nearly as many headaches at the end of the day.
There's I look like a lost librarian.
And there we go. Now we're up in the room.
ENTG.
You are right, Suman. There is no conclusive research, and all the eye doctors tell you that. It's all preference.
Anyways, they came in a 2-pack, as you can tell.
Huh. Yeah, I put them with my prescription the last time I got new prescription glasses.
Yeah, maybe phobia. I will get a monitor that does should filter it out automatically. But my sub $200 monitors here are not so fancy. All right, I've got just over 15 minutes left. Microsoft's moving the wrong way. You wouldn't have lied to me, Magic 8-Ball, would you? I have confidence in you.
Did it say that it was going under 243?
It said without a doubt.
Without a doubt. Well, the SPY did just bounce off the VWAP, but it's looking like it's coming back towards it. So
hard too. The SPY is moving down quick here, so maybe.
I think you may get that move below 243 if you get the SPY to lose VWAP. So.
Dancing Sun, I'm pretty sure I said by the end of the day today, and I even gave like a number of minutes or something. So I hope so. Uh-oh, there's a Reddit stream on GME Meltdown. The GME Meltdown Lounge. They got pictures of the rocket ship exploding on exploding. Oh, that's awesome. No matter how bad things get, I remind myself that I could be trapped in a pyramid scheme, convinced I'm an investor with diamond hands.
Oh man.
Oh man, this is these guys. They're like they're back to their beating themselves up. This is hilarious. Look at this one. Uh,
Oh man. So Malibu, I do think we have a couple people in the room that use
AVB.
IB's trading platform. Here's Microsoft making that move back down. Let's see.
oh man. Seriously, here's a news article. Man arrested after screaming stonks outside of GameStop high on PCP for 36 straight hours.
Oh,
Oh, the world is a crazy place, I'm telling you.
you gotta be kidding me. Crazy place, crazy place.
Love it.
Well, spy tests and VWAP again, Peter, for you.
I see that. Microsoft moved down a bit. It's got some room to go though. They've put the Wall Street Bets guy on the top of the recent rocket crash from SpaceX.
Of course they did.
It's about how it works, right?
Of course they did. Of course they did. 11-minute mark.
Oh, there's my 11-minute. Maybe this'll give me the. Maybe this will give the push I'm looking for.
Let's watch this 10-minute, and then we'll show the trade of the day and do announcements. So Ben out on YouTube, Peter's in Microsoft right now. He's been in it from 2:45:05.
Oh, just had to better me, on the entry. Well, be that way.
Oh,
good for you.
You got in at 2:45:05, right? Or 2:45:04?
2:45:01.
Oh, 01. Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Grant, that's a great question. So I have an alarm at 11 minutes until the close, because at 10 minutes, often the stocks that I watch, like AMD, Microsoft, and Apple, jump around a lot as they close out accounts 10 minutes before the end. Of course, I didn't get a huge jump today, so sometimes it'll jump up or it'll drop. very, you get the huge candles. So that's just the warning to watch, especially if I'm in one of those trades. So Microsoft, I was busy watching, and it didn't do much. I was hoping for a weak push
SPY's
down,
losing the
but
VWAP, so that
yeah. Like, look at the big candle
should
on the
help you.
SPY. You can see there was some stuff being closed out because there's a much bigger candle, and look at the huge volume that happened on the SPY right at 350. So
Yeah.
yeah, we'll put that on
So
our
pull up the member trade of the day that goes out to Jeremy for his trade on Baba today. It's a little blurry, but I wanted to make sure that we got his analysis in here because that's what I really like on there. He took a long off the bounce, set a stop at the low of the day, partialed on his way up to VWAP, did a couple ads, but as he was adding, he even readily admits not very comfortable with adding, so he took some pretty quick partials that were there, but did eventually stay in and got up all the way up to the top. So excellent trading on his part. And I really like his area down there of learning, identifying what he needs to improve on. So excellent trade.
RMD, Lin, Chur.
Yeah, I like the good description.
Yeah. And if you want to submit your member trade of the day, you can mark up your post, post it on Twitter, tag at Bearable Traders, at MikeB_BBT, and at NorBBT. Use the hashtag BBT Family. Day trading stock market winner will be announced every day on the morning, or every Monday during the closing bell show, and then every afternoon we'll do the trade of the day. The strategy this week was done by Thor, How to Trade Using Pivots Points, Part 1, Market Auction Theory. Before learning to use the pivots, you got to understand market auction theory. That is posted up in the webinar. I do believe, I'm not sure if it's there yet or not. I haven't checked today, but it will be under webinars and under strategy for you. Next week is not Peter. We'll be having a town hall question and answer for questions from a trader at a proprietary firm. Tonight we have Dr. Reed talking about the magic of trend lines. Trend lines are this easy way for new traders to start to get comfortable and become proficient in their trading and build confidence. So he'll talk about how that works. The following week we'll have Creda with us doing a quick wrap up of her Mental Edge series that she's put together, and then we'll invite, right now we have 5 traders that will come on with us, and they'll discuss how they've been using those strategies to improve their trading, as well as asking Creda any questions on how to further improve that. If you're out on YouTube and you want to give our chat room a try, you can use code PREMARKET24. That's going to give you access to the chat room, onboarding class, and the intro course as well in our education center. And if you want to purchase an annual elite membership, you can use the code NEWYEAR40 to get a 40% off discount. With that, we will get back to trading.
Hola.
Hey, Brian, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
I am fantastic, thank you.
Perfect.
And I think I'm about to get better, maybe? Come on, buddy. No, wrong way. Come on, Microsoft.
So we've done the usual sell-off last half hour.
You got 4.5 minutes, Microsoft. Bust a move here. Drop it like it's hot.
Thinking about it, I got to take a look at it. I've been away from doing something else here.
IAC.
Sava's really extended. I don't know. I think you're playing in GME area now.
MMC, ATVI.
Oh, sniper.
Wow, space has been right back up to that high of day yesterday. Pretty close. So what do we got here? Qs are down actually, right? And then the SPY's up a little bit. IWM's up a little bit. GIVO looks kind of interesting still for a swing trade. I took a very long swing trade position on Ford.
On Ford?
Yeah. You know, they got that Bronco and Mustang coming out later this year. So I took some, they're basically leaps. They're kind of options that trade out a year ahead and 2 years ahead. So just took a very long-term position on Ford.
IEX.
The Mach-E, I know it should be cool. Yeah, GIVO's looking kind of interesting. It's going out the day fairly strong. I might take a small position on that.
Oh, come on, Microsoft.
Thinking,
Lose it. Lose it to the downside.
drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot. Magic 8 Ball said, "Don't. Come on, I got faith in you, Magic 8 Ball. You're just ramping up the suspense here. It's like in the movie where they gotta disarm the nuclear device. You gotta run it right down to 1 second.
I know, eh? It's 12. Chris, 12. Yeah, $12 less. Yeah, it's just shows you how crazy things can be. I'm gonna let X sit for another day or two.
IAC.
Probably might drop a little more. I might regret that.
Should have picked Amazon. What's Amazon doing? Oh yeah, it's dropping off here.
Yep.
That's expensive though. I could buy
Got
like
about 50 seconds to the market close, Peter. In case you're still in Microsoft.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm still in it. It's moving down. Come on. This is it. This is your last chance.
This is your
ABBV.
time.
This is your time to everybody out. Everybody out of the pool. Everybody out of the pool. Let's go. Here we go. That better.
It is pushing down.
Cheering it on here.
X.
Let me get rid of my stop here, and I will manually. Oh, look at this!
Okay.
Look at this! Look at this! Oh!
Oh,
Yes!
the
Yes!
magic 8
Yes!
ball is right.
Oh wow.
With 2 seconds
I'm
to
out.
spare.
I am out. Oh, my order didn't fill. Oh my goodness! Look at that. I pressed the button right before the end.
ALGN.
How about this, guys? Today I didn't fill until 8 seconds later. Look at
MTCH.
that. I didn't
IFF.
fill till 4:06.
Wow.
You can thank me for that, Peter. I was dumping shares like there was no tomorrow.
It was Look at that.
Yeah.
What did I tell you? That was exactly like one of the movies where they were running it down, 1
Yeah.
second left. We cut the cord. That was awesome. That was a lot of fun.
Cut the cord and got under 243 for the Magic 8 Ball.
I know, and
Yeah.
I managed to fill under 243. That's the best part. 242.98 was my fill. That is brilliant.
Pretty darn good.
That was brilliant.
Brilliant.
Excellent, Phil.
Excellent.
Magic 8 Ball, I knew you wouldn't let me down. Thanks, buddy.
So QCOM reported, or might be reporting, as it has just dropped $5. So
Wow.
that's the only major stock we had during the close right now, other than PayPal, which will be at 420, but I won't be sticking around for that one.
Huh. Yeah, QCOM's trading a little bit crazy right now.
Uh, 420 is PayPal, John. 420.
I think, Chris, I'm more of maybe a Bob Odenkirk type actor. That would be more appropriate in my case. Bruce Willis, he's bald. What's that?
So.
He's in action here. I love the. Have you ever? There's a movie coming out actually soon. Oh, it doesn't release till April now. I thought it was coming out in February. Anyways, a movie called Nobody, and I love all the captions about it. The trailer looks. I think it looks good, but it's a typical action movie. But it's got the guy from Better Call Saul, Bob Odenkirk. Anyways, and they're like, so somebody jokingly in a bar said, "I bet you we could make anybody an action hero." And then somebody stepped up and said, "I'll go get Bob." Yeah, he is definitely not your typical action hero type of guy.
Funny.
If Liam Neeson could be an action hero, why not, right?
Exactly.
Wow. Geez, I almost shorted QCOM. I didn't. I pulled the trigger on it at 158. Dagnammit. Dagnammit after all.
Dang
Is anybody in shorting QCOM? Man, this thing is losing altitude fast.
Losing quickly. That was some pretty crazy price action from 154 to 162 in a couple of seconds.
I think there were some just late fills. I think some of those fills were just late fills. Just going through. The bid ask wasn't showing that, so
okay.
they were just. I think they were just crossing it.
Missed on sales, but beat on earnings.
Interesting. Getting punished, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely. QCOM has run up though this last week and a half. On the daily, it really ran.
Yeah,
up.
Totally. Yeah, it came up from like this 153 level, so it's really just pulling back. It's below there now, but it's probably going to finish out. It's down. Yeah. This is about where it started the year, right in this area, 150. Yep. All right, guys, I'm going to drop off.
I as well.
Before you run, one random thing I wanted to mention. I was reading an article last night. They're talking about the different stocks that were being promoted through Wall Street Bets. One of the early ones talking about that they had pumped but didn't get the same media coverage and traction was Tootsie Roll.
Oh.
So remember look up TR and you can see it jumped from doing absolutely nothing at $30 to a price of like $57, and it's right back down again. But it didn't get the same coverage, but it was another one of the Wall Street Bet stocks in the background. I thought that's I remember you mentioned it one day, and I'm like, "There's a company for Tootsie Roll."
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know that. That's it. It's a, what do they call that? A one-hit wonder.
Yeah.
Oh, they should have just sold out to Hershey's or something like that.
Anyway,
Anyway,
so
QCOM.
there.
Yeah. Well, there. Excuse me. Okay. Well, ciao, everybody. Have a great
Have a
evening.
good
We'll see
day,
you guys
Brian.
tomorrow.
And everybody out on YouTube, have a great